Jijna. Welcome to M. Kamla store. What do you say? How are you?
It is a good shop.
What do you think about the shop?
It is good.
It's good. You like it?
Yes.
Oh, just la tukji chenang pewala one. Thank you so much. La ningje kale. Hi, beautiful girl is also here. Less. You can see your pala. Oh, long.
라쏘 도지체 라쏘 라스틀레
Thank you so much for coming to Langon Suman.
Bye.
하고 마서 아니 가이나
Bye.
완전 이거 먹어
Okay, so dekhe, I'll just ask you some questions, okay? So here is Tim. Tim, can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, I'm Tim, 13 years old and from Germany.
Okay, so you've come here for?
Shopping and living this wonderful city of Darjeeling.
So do you like Darjeeling?
Yeah, of course.
How do you find Darjeeling? I mean, like,
My
better than
parents-
Germany?
My parents booked holidays here and yeah.
This is your first time visiting India?
Yeah.
Okay, have you shopped anywhere in Darjeeling?
Yes, but I was looking for these brands, but I never find them.
Yeah.
And shortly
No, that's fine. Tell me.
I got them here. Yeah.
So you like the jacket?
Yes, nice and comfortable, keeping me warm.
So you like it because it's Moncler?
Yeah, and also,
So is it like your favorite brand?
no, but yeah,
But you like Moncler.
yeah, of course.
because
So
it's in right Tim
It's in trend.
it's in trend and you found the trend in which store
Germany.
no
The store.
this store or in Germany come on I'm giving you a gift bag
Sonam's clothing. Say Sonam's clothing.
Huh?
You found
Sonam's
it in-
clothing.
this place is Sonam's clothing
Yeah, someone's clothing.
so how did you like the product
It's very nice, keeping me warm, and also the shoes are nice. It's heavy.
Oh wow, you got the shoes also. Oh wow, I
Yeah.
didn't see. Wow, yeah, the LV shoes. Yeah,
Not every shop
nice.
has them.
yeah.
how's the collection of your brother
Yeah.
amazing
Amazing.
Good.
rate it
Out of 10.
out of 10 how much you want to give me
We say 10,500.
oh
No, that's not the rate.
Oh, I'm not so good in English.
Yes, this we totally
out of 1
understand.
to 10, which point will you give my store?
I would say for the shoes, 8.
8,
Okay.
Yeah, jackets, 9.
Oh,
9.
wow.
Oh wow, that's a very good
Thank
rating.
you.
Yeah.
That's a very good rating, you know. And coming from you, like it's amazing.
And the parent
the
is
dad
here.
the dad-
Hi.
She was saying you must be very tall. I said, no, she's not tall.
Hi. Hey, I vlog. I have a
She's a
YouTube
vlogger.
channel.
Oh, cool. Nice meeting
See,
you.
even he was very excited. Same here.
Even he's saying he got it.
He got for the
gift.
Christmas.
Yes, he got exactly this.
Yeah.
So I'm definitely gonna follow him as well.
Okay.
Your video is
Tim is
gonna
a
come on
nice chap.
YouTube? YouTube?
No, Instagram.
Instagram. Okay. Give me your Insta ID, okay?
I give you it.
Yeah. Then I'll follow it, okay? And I'll put it in my video as well to follow. Okay? All right. Thank you so much, Tim.
Yeah.
See? Thank you. Thank you for coming in my vlog.
Sure.
So how do you find India? Can I ask you that?
India is great. We had a
Is it your first time?
lot of fun. As a family, it's our first time in India.
Oh,
I
first
was
time.
here many years ago with a friend, like 3 months with backpack and stuff. But
Oh.
many things changed. It was end of the
Yes.
90s at the time, you know.
Oh, end of the
But
90s.
But now I want to take my kids,
Yeah,
my
kids.
wife here, just to show this beautiful country and this so different from Europe, you know.
Yeah, very different. So like Darjeeling, are you for the first time here?
First time in Darjeeling.
Okay, so how do you find Darjeeling?
Great.
How are the people?
It is the most adventurous place on our trip.
So you have like been all over Darjeeling? You have
We've been. We arrived only yesterday.
Yesterday.
Oh,
Okay.
yes, and today we made a trip with the train, and we went to the zoo.
All
But
right.
let's say tomorrow and after tomorrow we still have time to
Yeah,
explore
yeah,
more,
to
like
explore more.
monasteries and stuff.
Yeah, Tim said you guys are going back and forth.
Yes,
Okay.
and
so.
we will go back to Delhi after this and fly home.
Okay.
But we've been already to Rajasthan and Agra also.
Oh, that's a very nice place, Rajasthan. I love Jaipur. Did you go to Jaipur?
Yeah, Jaipur, yes.
Yes.
We spent
Lovely place.
Christmas in Jaipur.
Oh wow, you really had a good holiday, huh, this year.
Very nice. Thank you.
All right. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay. Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome back to my vlog. और कल जो team and family आए हुए थे, the entire family is here today. Here they are. Good morning. Hi. The whole family is here today. So how do you find Darjeeling?
Oh, very nice. I'm
You like
very,
it?
Overwhelmed.
This is your first time here?
Yes.
Yes. So the weather is okay.
Yes, fine.
Germany is very cold, right?
Yes, minus 5 degrees.
Oh
so
my
it's very warm here. Yes.
Hi, and what is your name?
What is your name?
Sorry? His
Jan,
English
his
is okay?
name.
Does he speak English?
He doesn't speak
He
English,
doesn't.
but his name is Jan.
Yan. Oh, so good looking. And here we have another one. Hi. What's your name?
Moritz.
Without the nuts,
Mogus.
okay?
Yes.
Clean the
You like Darjeeling?
Yes.
Enjoying here?
Time.
Germany is better or India?
Ist Deutschland besser oder Indien?
Germany.
No, I completely understand. Yeah. But Tim likes India, right?
Yeah, it's
Ah.
but Germany is also better.
So cute.
Not so much traffic in Germany.
Yes. Yeah, the traffic is very bad. What else? What else you want to say?
Eigentlich nothing.
Nothing?
I had my interview yesterday.
So cute. Yes. I actually interviewed you, no?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So we are very happy. The whole family is here. Come again to meet us. Thank you so much for coming again. La? Okay. Okay, come on. Just give friendship. Okay, now they come. Let's be friends, Lada. Shweta, you're feeling so shy. Come. Go. He's giving this to Tim. So cute. Yes. So nice. They've learned Dhanyavad. Hey, enjoy your chocolates.
Thanks, guys. For this
Thank you.
very nice gift.